All right, guys. John here, Vapor Hunting Technologies. I get a lot of questions on YouTube, on our different social media outlets, oftentimes, and I think this is going to be like the beginning of some of the videos and some of the explanations to some of the questions. Maybe give you guys some answers. Some people have asked, what's it like to start a business? And kind of the answer to that question is it's really tough. I've been doing this now for 9 years, and I started back, whatever 9 years ago was, 2012, 2011. It's been so long now I can't even remember, but it's been about 9 years, and in the beginning it was really tough. There was a lot of no paychecks, paying everyone else but yourself. And I think a lot of you guys want to know the answer to this because you guys are probably interested in starting a business yourself, which I highly recommend for sure, but I don't recommend you thinking that it's easy, because if you're hearing that it's easy and that you can stay at home and you can get rich and it takes a little bit of your time and you're going to have free time, those are all fake lies. Without a doubt, because none of that's true. It's going to take a lot of hard work and dedication. Kind of, starting the business in the beginning, that's what it was. It was 24/7 gig. It took every bit of money possible to start the business and to run it. And it was not easy. But looking back, 9 years now, it's a lot of fun. It's you encounter a lot of different people. Good customers, bad customers, good employees, bad employees, you name it. So it has its ups and downs for sure. But one of the reasons that I love business so much is just the people. I mean, you meet so many good people in the world, and it gives you a different perspective, on life. And what you have to look forward to in the future of the business. But to start the business, or starting this business, was very difficult because it's American manufacturing, and you're competing with some overseas customers and some in-state people, which that wasn't really that difficult, but mainly getting the business moving and getting it cash flowing, that was a biggie for this company, and it took a couple years to do that. But if you're thinking about running a business or starting one, I highly recommend it. That's what makes the U.S. so fantastic, is because you guys have the opportunity to do that, and I highly promote that and recommend that. But if you guys have questions, shoot them my way. Put some comments below. If you want to comment on this video, if you like it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be answering a few more questions along the way about what got VHT here and why this all began. So keep watching. Hope you guys are enjoying the content. Like I say, put some comments below, maybe what you want to see next. We're totally open for suggestions, and we love to show off new things. So thanks for watching. Take care, guys.